Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss: embracing imperfection. We live in a world that constantly bombards us with messages of perfection. Everywhere we turn, we're confronted with images of flawless beauty, curated lifestyles, and seemingly perfect lives. It's no wonder many of us feel the pressure to be perfect in all aspects of our lives. But here's the thing: striving for perfection can be exhausting and detrimental to our well-being. Today, we're going to explore the power of letting go of perfection and embracing our imperfections. So, if you're ready to liberate yourself from the shackles of perfectionism and discover a more fulfilling way of living, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll delve into the understanding of the perfection trap, the freedom that comes with embracing imperfection, and practical strategies to incorporate into our lives. It's time we realize that we don't have to be flawless to be worthy. Embracing imperfections can lead us to a place of self-acceptance, self-compassion, and ultimately personal growth. So, are you ready to join me on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment? Let's challenge the notion of perfection and explore the incredible power of embracing our imperfections. By the end of this video, I hope you'll feel inspired and motivated to let go of perfection and embrace the beautiful, unique individual that you are. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Understanding the perfection trap. You see, the perfection trap is a mindset that convinces us that we must strive for flawlessness in every aspect of our lives. It's like an invisible force that pushes us to constantly seek perfection, whether it's in our appearance, relationships, careers, or personal achievements. Society bombards us with images of airbrushed models, highlight reels on social media, and success stories that seem effortlessly perfect. It's easy to fall into the comparison trap and feel inadequate if we don't measure up to these unrealistic standards. The perfection trap can be incredibly damaging to our mental health and overall well-being. It creates a constant sense of pressure and self-criticism, leading to anxiety, stress, and even feelings of worthlessness. We find ourselves trapped in a cycle of striving for an unattainable ideal, constantly fearing failure and feeling disappointed when we don't meet our own impossibly high expectations. But here's the truth: perfection is an illusion. It's an unattainable goal because, as humans, we're inherently imperfect beings. Embracing that imperfection is not a weakness, but rather a recognition of our authenticity and humanity. So, it's crucial to understand the perfection trap and the detrimental effects it can have on our lives. By recognizing its existence, we can begin to break free from its grip and start on a path towards self-acceptance and personal growth. Throughout this video, we'll explore strategies and insights that will help us navigate the perfection trap and cultivate a healthier relationship with imperfection. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate all our aspirations and efforts, but rather to let go of the unattainable and embrace a more balanced approach to life. So, let's dive deeper into the perfection trap and discover the incredible power that comes with letting go of perfection. The freedom in embracing imperfection. Embracing imperfection is not about settling for mediocrity or giving up on growth. It's about finding the freedom to be our authentic selves, free from the burden of unrealistic expectations and constant self-judgment. When we embrace imperfection, we grant ourselves permission to let go of the need to be flawless. We can begin to appreciate and celebrate the unique qualities that make us who we are. Embracing imperfection opens up a world of possibilities. It allows us to take risks, try new things, and step outside our comfort zones without the paralyzing fear of failure. When we release the pressure to be perfect, we can fully immerse ourselves in the joy of the present moment. We can focus on the experience rather than obsessing over the outcome. Embracing imperfection also nurtures self-compassion, the ability to treat ourselves with kindness, understanding, and forgiveness. It means acknowledging that we're human, and like everyone else, we make mistakes, and that's okay. By embracing imperfection, we give ourselves permission to learn and grow from our mistakes, rather than berating ourselves for not meeting unattainable standards. Remember, the most incredible and memorable experiences often arise from embracing the imperfect moments, the unexpected twists, and the beautiful messiness of life. So, let's embrace imperfection and let go of the fear of judgment. Let's find the freedom to be unapologetically ourselves and celebrate our unique journeys. Embracing imperfection is a liberating choice that empowers us to live authentically, grow personally, and experience life's true beauty. Overcoming the fear of failure and judgment. Fear has a way of holding us back, especially when it comes to embracing our imperfections. The fear of failure, of making mistakes, and of being judged by others can paralyze us and prevent us from taking risks or being our authentic selves. But here's the truth. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone to success. Embracing imperfection means acknowledging that making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Overcoming the fear of failure starts with reframing our perspective. Instead of seeing failure as a reflection of our worth, we can see it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and discover new possibilities. It's important to remind ourselves that even the most successful people have faced setbacks and failures along their journeys. It's through those experiences that they gain valuable lessons and eventually achieved greatness. Similarly, the fear of judgment can hold us back from fully embracing our imperfections. We worry about what others might think or say about us. But here's the thing: we can't control others' opinions, and we shouldn't let them define our worth. When we embrace imperfection, we cultivate the courage to be authentic, even in the face of judgment. We realize that authenticity is more powerful and inspiring than any facade of perfection. So, how do we overcome the fear of failure and judgment? It starts with self-compassion. We need to treat ourselves with kindness and understanding, just as we would support a dear friend who's facing a challenge. We can also surround ourselves with a supportive network of people who accept us for who we are. They will uplift us, encourage us, and remind us of our worth even when we stumble or face criticism. Overcoming the fear of failure and judgment is a journey. It requires vulnerability, resilience, and a commitment to embracing our imperfections. But the rewards are immeasurable. The freedom to be our true selves and to pursue our passions wholeheartedly. So, let's take a step forward. Let go of the fear that holds us back and embrace our imperfections without reservation. Embracing imperfection for personal growth. Embracing imperfection is not a stagnant state, but rather a catalyst for personal growth. It's through our imperfections and the challenges they bring that we can learn, evolve, and become the best versions of ourselves. When we embrace imperfection, we shift our focus from seeking perfection to valuing progress. We understand that growth doesn't happen overnight, and it's the journey, not the destination, that truly matters. Embracing imperfection encourages us to step out of our comfort zones and embrace new experiences. It's in those moments of discomfort and vulnerability that we learn the most about ourselves and discover untapped strengths. Embracing imperfection means allowing ourselves to make mistakes and not being afraid to fail. It's through these failures that we gain valuable insights, resilience, and the ability to adapt and overcome obstacles. Personal growth is not about becoming perfect. It's about becoming the best version of ourselves. It's about recognizing our unique strengths, talents, and passions, and using them to make a positive impact in the world. When we embrace imperfection, we give ourselves permission to explore our true potential without the limitations of perfection. We tap into our creativity, take risks, and unleash our authentic selves. So, how do we embrace imperfection for personal growth? It starts with a growth mindset. The belief that we can learn, improve, and develop throughout our lives. We view challenges as opportunities for growth, rather than as roadblocks. We can also incorporate daily practices that promote self-reflection, gratitude, and self-care. These practices help us stay connected with ourselves, cultivate self-awareness, and maintain a positive mindset. Embracing imperfection opens the door to endless possibilities for personal growth. It's about embracing our unique journeys, learning from our experiences, and continuously striving to become the best version of ourselves. So, let's embrace imperfection as a catalyst for personal growth and embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery and development. Cultivating self-compassion and authenticity. Cultivating self-compassion and authenticity is crucial on our journey of embracing imperfection. It's about treating ourselves with kindness, understanding, and acceptance, and embracing our true selves without fear or judgment. Self-compassion is the act of extending the same compassion we would offer to others to ourselves. It means acknowledging our flaws and mistakes with a gentle and understanding heart. When we cultivate self-compassion, we replace self-criticism with self-encouragement. We shift our inner dialogue from judgment and negativity to kindness and support. Self-compassion also involves prioritizing self-care and nurturing our physical, emotional, and mental well-being. It means listening to our needs, setting healthy boundaries, and honoring our authentic desires. Authenticity is the key to embracing imperfection fully. It's about being true to ourselves, expressing our genuine thoughts and feelings, and living in alignment with our values and beliefs. When we embrace authenticity, we free ourselves from the pressure of trying to fit into molds created by others. We can embrace our unique qualities and share our authentic voice with the world. Authenticity requires vulnerability, courage, and the willingness to be seen for who we truly are. It means embracing our imperfections as part of our beautiful and complex selves. So, how do we cultivate self-compassion and authenticity? It starts with self-awareness. We need to reflect on our values, beliefs, and passions, and honor them unapologetically. We can also surround ourselves with a supportive community that accepts and celebrates our authentic selves. They uplift us, provide a safe space for growth, and remind us of our inherent worth. Remember, self-compassion and authenticity are lifelong practices. It's normal to have moments of self-doubt or vulnerability, but through self-compassion, we offer ourselves love and understanding, and through authenticity, we stand confidently in our truth. So, let's cultivate self-compassion and authenticity as we continue to embrace imperfection. Let's nurture our inner strength, celebrate our uniqueness, and live authentically and wholeheartedly. Conclusion. Throughout this video, we've explored the power of embracing imperfection and the incredible impact it can have on our lives. We've learned that perfection is an illusion, a standard that no one can truly attain. But in embracing imperfection, we find freedom, personal growth, self-compassion, and authenticity. Embracing imperfection means releasing the need for external validation and embracing our unique journeys. It means celebrating the beautiful messiness of life and finding joy in the present moment. Remember, no one has it all figured out. We're all navigating this journey of life, learning, stumbling, and growing along the way. Embracing imperfection allows us to connect with others on a deeper level, knowing that we're not alone in our struggles. So, as you go forth from this video, I encourage you to continue embracing imperfection in all areas of your life. Embrace the imperfections in your work, your relationships, and most importantly, in yourself. You are enough just as you are. Embrace your quirks, your flaws, and your unique qualities. They are what make you beautifully human. Embracing imperfection is a daily practice. It requires patience, self-compassion, and a commitment to living authentically. But the rewards are immeasurable. A life filled with joy, growth, and meaningful connections. Thank you for joining me on this journey of embracing imperfection. I hope this video has inspired you to let go of the pursuit of perfection and embrace the imperfect, messy, and beautiful adventure of life. Remember, you are worthy, you are unique, and your imperfections are what make you shine. Embrace them, love them, and live your best life.